Guys, these are my birds. They're doves actually. They're doves. If you're new to my channel, just like and subscribe. It will really help me out, guys. So yeah, this one, you can see that he looks like immature, so he's not at the age of breeding right now. So so guys, so he's not really in the breeding stage right now. He hatched like actually a month ago, month and like 3 weeks. This is actually some fertilizer from underneath here from these birds, because you know they're very messy. These right here are 3 beautiful chicks. They actually hatched a week ago. That's the mom. She's very aggressive. If you come too near to her, she'll pick you. Also, this one is on 2 eggs. As you can see, these ones do have 4 eggs actually. But they haven't hatched yet. I'm gonna show you guys the 4 eggs. This over here is actually my rabbit. This is actually my rabbit, pet rabbit. Yeah, he's very friendly. He's just laying down right now. So I'm gonna show you the chicks. No, not the chicks, the eggs. My mistake, the eggs. Let me show you guys. So I'm actually gonna take the mother of the nest and see if there are any eggs in there. There are eggs actually. As you can see, there are 3 eggs there, but there are actually 4 eggs in all. The white one is sitting on one, but I don't want to disturb them too much. As you can see, this one is getting very furry. See, they'll pick you guys. They're not very friendly when they're in laying state. When they're sitting on eggs, they're not very friendly. So that's why I don't like to really fool around them at that time. But guys,